Guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have one math expression here that we have to solve it in this way. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important, and addition and subtraction are equally important. So in this math expression we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first according to this rule. So 11 minus 8 gives us 3. Now let's rewrite the expression. We have 11 minus 8 and we have one multiplication here and 3. And according to this rule, multiplication comes before this subtraction, so we have to solve it first. 8 times 3 gives us 24. Now we have 11 minus 24. And this expression gives us 13. The final answer is 13. Thank you for watching.